Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here with word games. Today's game is verbs for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1, we're gonna a movie tonight. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Watch. We're gonna watch a movie tonight. The baby is on the floor. This is when a baby is moving, but it's not walking. It's moving on its hands and knees. Crawl. The baby is crawling on the floor. We're busy. Please don't us. This means please don't bother us. Please don't pester us. Disturb. Please don't disturb us. This word is similar to Jennifer looks happy and Jennifer sounds happy. And we're not sure if she's happy. But she looks happy, she sounds happy. She seems happy. We're not really sure if she's happy, but she seems happy. This means she looks and sounds happy. Bob is his hair. This is similar to washing his hair, but he's not using soap or shampoo. He's only using water. He's rinsing his hair. To wash something is when you use soap and water. To rinse something is water only, no soap. The family went on a vacation together so that they could. This means to join closer together. It's so that they become closer to each other, better friends. Bond, so that they could bond. To bond or to bond with somebody. Please check your dictionaries. It's a bit difficult. We also use it in the ing form, like this. Bob is a girl from New York. This means they are together. They are boyfriend and girlfriend. They meet maybe once or twice a week, but they're not married and they don't live together. Dating. Bob's dating a girl from New York. We also say seeing. Same meaning. The waiter. That's a person that works in a restaurant. The waiter will the food to us soon. This word is similar to give, take, bring. Serve. The waiter will serve the food to us soon. To serve something to somebody. But this is a double verb, so you could also say to serve somebody something. They are trying to you. Don't listen to them. This is similar to trick somebody and to deceive somebody. Don't listen to them. They are trying to fool. They're trying to fool you. Bob thinks that the restaurant him. This means Bob ate at the restaurant, and Bob thought that his bill was about $20, but his bill was $30. So Bob thinks they made a mistake. He thinks the restaurant overcharge. He thinks the restaurant overcharged him. To overcharge somebody. Usually it's by accident, but it might be on purpose. In today's game, word number 1, watch, is also an accessory. Number 6, bond, is also a noun. Number 8, serve, is also a noun, but only in tennis. And number 9, fool, is also a person. Game over! How did you do? That's good. What's your name? And what country are you from? That's fantastic. We will see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.